Yabona mina sengiyesola nale line lokuthiwa abafuna umsebenzi abeze bazothandazela. It has become so romantic. Lokuphakamisa izandla uthandazelwe. Kuthi ufuna umsebenzi. No. No. Why can't we become employers? Ngalo amen etendeni. Why can't we become employers as children of God? Why can't we siqala ama business, begin businesses? Sibe namathenda kube yithina. Es ay man. Ngicela amen etendeni. Ngithi bayeza bazonibusisa abazalwane. Ubizo ngobizo. Kukhona laba ababusisayo abanibusise bazalwane. Mina ngifuna ngihlangane nawe. You remain the same. You remain useless and futile. You remain inactive. Uthi Jesu yabuya. Ulokwahlalela ukhuluma ngelimi rokho riba seleke.